Let's get this into play too. Yeah, what's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bunny Blade, aka Budget Dad, but you already know this. Alright, we got some things out here we're gonna try. I got this antenna here. I think I got this antenna here off of Amazon. And they deliver it. I'm still waiting on Banggood and Wish. So I'm gonna be trying. It's a dual antenna, which is a 2.4 and a 5.8. I'm going to be trying it on the goggles, and it also can be tried on the signal here, but for now I'm just going to try it on the goggles. Everything else is pretty much beefed up, so I really don't need this, unless if I had it stuck on some way that was high in the air. Now that's the purpose of this. If I had something that I could jack up, I could put this antenna on it, jack it up, and it got a good amount of coax, where I could connect it to either to my transmitter or to my goggles, because it's a dual antenna, 2.4 and 5.8. Okay, well, let's see what we could get out of the day.